if you want your audio to sound like it's coming from inside of a house, maybe on the other side of a window, and you, the listener, is standing outside listening in, there's a pretty good preset that does that for you. This is just a normal dialogue, very neutral. Click the track you want this effect to apply to. Click presets, and then go to underwater speech. If you get a notification, just click through it. This makes it sound like this.
So, the deal with this place. Every cottage has got a tragic story, right?
Just rumors occur, folklore.
Again, you can play around with these three metrics that basically make up the whole thing. So the reverb, parametric, equalizer, and chorus, and you can play around with it to make it sound just the way you want it. But it does give sort of an effect of something being very muffled and inside of somewhere, and you're listening to it from outside of this, from outside basically. So that's how you do that.